Hi Jennifer, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I'm sending you this video because I was searching for laser hair removal spas and I realized that you were on the second or third page it was. So I just wanted to show you a few things that you can do to start bringing in more clients to your business. So the two things that I want to go over are content and backlinks. So when it comes to Google, content is king. Google loves lots and lots of content. We see that your home page, it has very little content on it, maybe 100, 200 words. So we definitely want to get more keyword-rich content, preferably at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Taking a look at your competitor, Plastic Surgery Center of Sacramento. Obviously, this is a plastic surgeon. They have a huge website with lots of content, but we are here on their laser hair removal page, and we see that they have an okay amount of content, probably like 400 to 500 words. So still very beatable. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So when we search for laser hair removal, we actually see you here on the 28th position. So let's go back to the first page. I'm sorry, that was the second page. All right, so you are on the third page for that. So the top keyword is laser hair removal Sacramento. So when we search for that, the first thing that we see is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. And one of the main factors for ranking here in the organic section is with something called a backlink. A backlink is really just one site linking to another site. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. We see here, this is for their back page for laser hair removal. We see that they're being found for 3,800 keywords. They have about 1,500 people coming to their site every month. So here's the backlinking. So they have 80 referring domains, which is websites, pointing 255 backlinks to their site. So what we would need to do is pretty much just go above and beyond your competition, get you at least 400 backlinks. So let's take a look at your site. So we plug you in here. We see that you have about 33 people coming to visit your website. You're being found for 41 keywords. You have 3 referring domains giving you 7 backlinks. I do want to point out that not all backlinks are created equal, so there are spammy backlinks and there are trustworthy ones. Obviously, we want the trustworthy ones. Google will, show favor to your site if they feel it's a trustworthy site. So just to kind of break that down, so I don't want to get too technical on you, but just to try and give you a better understanding, the UR and DR represent the power and trust of your site. So ideally these will be double digits and they'll be pretty close to each other. So when we take a look at yours, we see that you actually don't really have any power and trust, so we definitely want to get that fixed. And when it comes to backlinks, we want to get relevant backlinks pointing back to you. So having another med spa pointing back to your website is going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows you are not in the pizza industry. So that is a completely irrelevant backlink. So let's take a look at the keywords you're being found for. So Laser Lux, you are pretty popular. There's 250 people searching for you every month. So that's really good. Medical Spa Sacramento, there's 150 people searching for that. You are in the 15th position, so you're probably on the second page for that. So we definitely get you bumped up. Let's see, these are smaller hitting keywords. Laser hair removal Sacramento, there's 300 searches a month for that. You're sitting in the 35th position. Let's see. Well, spas in Sacramento, there's 150 searches for that. You are in the 66th position. And I was looking up some other keywords just to show you volume. So let's back it up one page. So for Botox, there is 350 searches a month. Well, actually more like 450 because we got a few different keywords for it that you're not being found for at all. So we didn't see any Botox keywords from your site. So definitely want to get you found for those. Let's see, facials. We got 360, 70 searches a month for facials that you were also not being found for. So, I mean, that's a whole lot of business that you're missing out on. These are all things that we can do for you, that we can help you be found for and ranked for. This is why we're reaching out. We just want to help people grow their businesses. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. Be happy to talk with you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.